Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to take off a BMW X5 door panel. First, gather your tools, including plastic pry tools and a Torx T20 screwdriver. For safety, consider disconnecting your vehicle's battery, especially when working near airbags. Begin by gently prying out the decorative trim panel, starting from the rear. Next, carefully remove the courtesy light at the bottom of the door and unplug its wiring. Finally, pry up the window switch assembly and disconnect its 3 electrical harnesses. Now that the initial trim pieces are off, it's time to remove the screws securing the door panel. You'll typically find several Torx T20 screws. Look for one hidden behind the small airbag label, which you can gently pry off. There are also screws located within the door pull or armrest area. Don't forget to check behind the door handle trim for another hidden screw. Finally, remove any additional Torx T20 screws along the bottom perimeter of the door panel. With all screws removed, the next step is to detach the main door panel. Use a plastic door panel clip tool to carefully pry around the edges, releasing the approximately 11 plastic clips. Start at an outer corner and work your way around. Once the clips are free, lift the entire panel slightly upwards to clear the window seal. Then, unhook the Bowden cable from the inner door handle. Finally, disconnect any remaining electrical connectors for components like the speaker or ambient lighting. Reinstalling your BMW X5 door panel is essentially the reverse of removal. Ensure all electrical connectors are securely reattached before positioning the panel. Carefully align the door panel clips with their holes and press firmly to snap them into place. It's always a good idea to have a few spare door panel clips, as they can sometimes break during removal. Also, be very careful with the vapor barrier. Avoid tearing it to prevent future water leaks into your vehicle's interior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.